Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your scheduled post on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Instagram and log into your account, and then you're going to click on your profile icon at the bottom right. Once you do so, you'll be redirected to your profile. Next, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. After that, you'll be redirected to settings and activity. Here, you're going to scroll down and you're going to make sure that your account is set to public and you have a professional account. If you don't have a professional account, you cannot schedule content over here. So after making sure that you have a public account and you have a professional account, what you're going to do is head over to For Professional section, and right beneath it, you'll be able to see account type and tools. Click on it and then you'll be able to see your core tools over here, and here is scheduled content. So click on here and you'll be able to see all your scheduled posts over here. If you don't have any scheduled post right now, you'll be able to see something like this that says you haven't scheduled any content yet. In order to schedule them, you're going to click on schedule now, select any post, and you can select a time when you want that particular post or reel to be posted. And well, that is how you can find your scheduled posts on Instagram. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.